Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna learn what's the difference between ever and never, and when to use the word ever and when to use the word never. Well, ever and never both are used with present perfect tense. These both words are used with present perfect tense. Ever means at any time. Ever mean at any time, and it is mostly used with interrogative sentences and ends with a question mark. And for example, have you ever blank and full stop. Now, never means no, no or not, and mostly never are used as I have never blank and full stop. Another example, she has never blank and full stop. So let's practice this exercise. First example we have you blank studied in Germany? Full stop. This is an interrogative sentence. So with full stop we use ever as we discussed it before ever. Have you ever studied in Germany? Next one. I have blank seen a dolphin. There's a full stop. So for full stop we will use the word never. So I have never seen a dolphin. Next one, have you blank tried cooking? Have you blank tried cooking? At the end there's a full stop. So for full stop we use the word ever. As we know, we use the word ever with interrogative sentences. Next one, I have blank drunk iced tea. I have blank drunk iced tea. There's a full stop. So with full stop we use never. I have never drunk iced tea. Next one. This is the best book I have blank read. There's a full stop. So we will write never. But it's completely wrong. Now, why it is completely wrong? This is a superlative sentence. This is a superlative sentence. Now, rule for superlative sentence is which have the best. Superlative is the most. Superlative is the worst, right? These are superlative sentences. These are superlative words. So whenever we have any superlative words in our sentence, so we will use the word ever. This is the best. This is superlative. This is the best book I have ever read. Last one is, this is the first time I have blank eaten Italian pizza. Now, what is the correct answer? You tell me this one in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.